Welcome guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the best pistol in BGMI as per damage. The best pistol as per damage in BGMI is sawed-off shotgun. Sawed-off shotgun is a type of shotgun with a shorter gun barrel, typically under 18 inches and often a shortened or absent stock. The sawed-off is an exclusive shotgun type weapon that fits in your handgun slot, exclusively found in Mera maps. Now, coming to the stats of sawed-off gun. The base damage of this shotgun is 160, which is the highest among all the shotguns, and it has a firing rate of 0.25, which is also good, but the reloading time of this shotgun is 3.9 seconds, which is not very good. The sawed-off shotgun uses 12 gauge ammo and has a capacity of 80. The time required for a shotgun to kill its enemy is 0.25 seconds, which is excellent. It takes only one shot to kill its enemy when you are aiming at the head, and it takes 2 shots to kill an enemy when you are aiming at the chest. Initially, sawed-off shotgun has only 2 bullets in its magazine and no scopes can be attached to it. The sawed-off shotgun should be used on iron sight, and only one attachment can be attached to sawed-off shotgun, and that is choke SG, which decreases the animation kick of the gun by 10%. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and stay tuned for more such informational videos. Thank you.